So my name is Ali Merchant. I'm the CEO of iQ3Connect, and we're using technology built at MIT with our web-based XR training platform. So people are the strength of an organization, and manufacturers spend a huge amount of money on training to stay competitive. But we're living in a new normal of remote work, challenges with sustainability, and also training a global workforce and ensuring that there's equality in training across global teams. And this is especially challenging for product companies that are building products with a global footprint all over the world. Because they rely heavily on hands-on face-to-face activities that are done in facilities and travel, and these are becoming more and more unsustainable. So what's the alternative, right? Today, the current tools are basically flat-screen tools that work for many industries, but they're very hard. It's almost impossible to virtualize the hands-on, face-to-face collaboration that is required in manufacturing. Can you imagine explaining kind of an assembly process using a Zoom meeting or a Teams meeting? It's pretty much impossible. So VR, AR today is very exciting and is getting a lot of traction in the enterprise, but the challenges are that these are more like gamified movie solutions that are very hard to scale, very expensive to roll out, and lots of lead time. So you can spend $500,000 building a training example, but it does not scale. And that's why we built a very simple and practical solution that anyone can use today, and that's built on technology that was developed at MIT. And this is iQ3. What you see here is an iQ3 workspace, and basically all you have to do is click on a link, and it opens up in your browser just like a Zoom meeting. And you can deliver fully collaborative global training on complex processes, complex products in this web-based workspace. And our technology makes it very easy to do this in a browser to ensure that we can do this at scale with very low latencies, and your training can be delivered pretty much anywhere globally, anywhere around the world. And not only do we make it easy to use in a browser, in a simple browser environment, but it's also very easy to create training. And even my son was able to use his iQ3 today to create learning experiences for his class. The point being that large enterprises can scale this up very quickly and cost effectively for their complex training and product development needs. And so here are two interesting case studies that we are working with the leadership at the largest edtech company in the world today, and they use videos, and now what we are doing with them is building, in this web-based, browser-based solution, a highly interactive learning environment that can deliver measured results. And as you can see here, this is from a video now to a highly 3D environment that you can consume on a VR headset, you can consume on a tablet, or a laptop. And then here's another example, working with one of the largest consumer companies in the world, and they also face the problem of training technicians, and there's huge amounts of turnover, and it takes weeks to train greener and greener employees that are coming into the workforce. And so what we're doing is now replacing the old-fashioned ways with highly interactive, measurable training and ensuring quality across their training needs across different product lines. So here's an example of something, and you can have a live experience of this if you come and find us later on at our demo table. And so we have a platform, and we're doing a lot of interesting pilots, and we would invite everyone here in this manufacturing and enterprise industrial space to come and talk to us. We'd be happy to work with you, use our platform to create pilots, and really understand. It would be a mutual learning experience for us and for you to really think about how you can transform training beyond the traditional tools that are out there, like face-to-face classrooms, videos, and other document-based learning approaches. And we're quite industry agnostic, although we are mainly focused on manufacturing companies at the moment. So please come and talk to us later on after the demo table, see an exciting demo, and let's explore potential opportunities of using our platform and technology. Thank you very much.